The question I'm going to ask you as I round up is one. Can God trust you with money? Can He trust you with success? Or will your success bring God headache? Does the blessing of God cause heartache for the Lord when He bless you? Or does it draw you closer to Him? Can the Lord trust you as a wife? That you are the one making the most money in the house? That your husband will not be begging you, honey, can you bring half of the rent? God forbid. Can that woman trust you that you were made before you married her? And she's not hearing every time, I had this chair before you came into this house, and now you have scattered it. I have this car before I married you. Now you and your children are eating inside the car. Whose children are they? They're not your children. Can God trust you with money? Number two, can God trust you with anointing? That when He anoints you, open your eyes like He opened the eyes of Elijah, Elisha. The eyes of Moses was open to see. Will you be able to keep people's secret? Can God trust you with people's secret? That they have no other person to, but because of your privilege to hear it, can it be just you and them? Or will it become national anthem? Number three, can God trust us with power? Hey! When you are in charge, if other person is in trouble, you are the pastor of the church. Every Sunday, they must hear my voice, as if you are the only one that God has given the word. You are a man, you are the head of the house, of your home. Outside God being on top, you are the nurse. Can that wife be able to go wherever she is running home because she have a loving husband? Is that possible? Or with the children here that you are coming, everybody is taking cover. That is coming. When you married that man, he had a job. Then after you married him, he lost his job. Now you sit and you talk to him like he's nothing. He become a couch potato. All you do is flip channel, flip channel, flip channel. I cook, you eat. Come on. Can God trust you? Can God trust you with an opposite sex? Listen to me, especially the youths. You are trusting God for a husband, but you're sleeping around. You already have husband now. It's just the one that have not paid your bride price. A man says hi to you. The next thing, you are in his house. You are misbehaving. He will never marry you. Don't become a wife when you are not yet a wife. You are cooking and cleaning and doing laundry. Who are you? Mrs. Nobody. Can we learn to allow God to trust us?